so proud of launching a new series. This is one of the proudest moments. Reason being, this is the Ishan Kishan series from SG. Ishan Kishan, our local boy, who's made it really big at the biggest platform. So, Ishan, we've been seeing him. He's been to the store many times while playing, and it was like, he's the most number, he has hit most number of sixes in this IPL. Last year being a part of the MI, this year being an integral part of the biggest franchisee. So hats off, those sixes he has been hitting fearless to the world's fastest and best bowler. So it was a crazy season, and we wish him all the best, and it was a delight, and we're genuinely proud. Coming to the bats, new stickers, quite similar to the retro range. So they've just flipped the blue with the yellow stickers, but it's looking really nice. And three series, three bats. These are the Ishan Kishan player bats, and these are retailing at 49,999. And then these are the basic ones, IK Extreme for 14,999 and IK Ultimate for 24,999. So three models in the Ishan Kishan series. I'll take you through them. Absolutely similar profile. This is the Ishan Kishan Ultimate. So this is for 24,999. Filled bat, full profile. He was using a regular player edition, so it's almost of a similar profile. It's quite high here. Even the toe, the spine meets the toe here. Flat toes almost, and really nice. Again, check out the grains. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grains on this one. Really clean face. Really nice bat. This is 1175 grams of weight, and pickup is around 1170. It's really good to hold. The stickering detailing also, I'll tell you. So there's a pin tinge of yellow here also in the SG logo on the back side of the bat. There's a yellow here also in the G of the SG logo at the bottom part of the bat. So this is the stickering change and the yellow hair stickers. The bat looks really nice, stickering really nice, and it's Patna's local boy, Ishan Kishan. Wow. Now this is the player bat. I find this better. This is pretty light. This is 1170 grams, and this is picking up around 1160. This is a semi-oval handle, oval at the bottom and round at the top. And coming to the grains again, really clean face. Check out the grains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grains on this one. Nice full edges. Again, exactly same profile. Filled bat right till the toe. So this is it, guys. This is the player bat. This is the player grade willow. And then the basic one is the IK Extreme, which is again bang on for the buck. Imagine this one at 14,999, this particular piece. This is again the ultimate. I'm so sorry. We've just, sorry. This is the Extreme, guys. This is the IK Extreme here. So this is an entry level IK series bat. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grains on this one. Again, nice edges. You get the same profile at 14,999. Filled bat again. These are kind of new shapes from SG. They're doing really well. The SR3 is also kind of similar. So that also is selling like really quick. Again, check out the edges. How good the edges are. This is one Extreme. This Ultimate is one of the best pieces we've got, which we had seen before. So this is again pretty light. This is 1180, but it's pretty light. The pickup is again somewhere around 1160 only. Fully filled bat. Check out the profile here. And again the grains also. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grains on this one. This is one of the best pieces I've got. This is the IK Ultimate for 24,999. This is it, guys. This is the Ishan Kishan series, and I really kind of, again would take few names. I'll nominate, I'll tag. Again, there are players from Bihar whom I would love to maybe launch their series also in future. To name a few, it comes to my mind. There's Piyush, there's Vibhuti, there's Harsh, there's many whom I'm just Out of you, there's Vedant, there's Prateek, and I might be missing few as well. But I really wish all you guys the best, and I really hope to see you there. Ishan would soon be making it to the Indian team. We wish that as well, and I hope I launch so many series of players from Bihar. So this is just not a launch. I'm really excited. I really enjoy having this with me, the Ishan Kishan series. The bats are really good, and that's it, guys. Thanks and cheers.